So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video what we are going to see, a new model that is released by Google, and the name of the model is Omni. So we can able to see Gemini Omni from Google. So with the help of this model, what you can do, you can able to create a high quality video easily. So you can also clearly see here, Gemini Omni makes creating and editing high quality video easily. So there is also a avatar feature that is available, so you can also able to see here. Let me just click on that and I will show you how you can able to do that. So create anything from everything. So this kind of video you can able to create with the help of this Omni model. And what you can also do, you can also able to create your own avatar, like here you can see what is AI avatar. So with the help of your you can record your face, you can record your voice, and on the basis of that you can use that avatar in the video to create a video with your own face and with your own voice. So I have already created my avatar, and I will show how to create avatar in some other section, because this video is related to creating a video using the avatar. But I will show you in some other video how you can create avatar. So I have already created my avatar, and let me show you. So you can see, when I am clicking on the plus section, and you have this option of more upload. So if you have already created your avatar, you can able to see your avatar. Else you can just go to more upload, and you will see option how to create a avatar. So I have already created avatar, and today is Independence Day. So what I have done, so if you can see here, I have created a prompt. So this prompt is created using ChatGPT, and it's a JSON based formatting prompt. So you can see this is the video title, story, and all the things. So you can also go in the ChatGPT and you can able to create the JSON based prompting, what kind of content you want to create in this video. And I have also attached my avatar. So with the help of that, what you need to do, you can just go and hit this submit button, and with the help of that, Omni will create a short video. Its duration may be 8 to 10 seconds. So let me show you the first draft what it has created. So yeah, let me play that.
Quick question. Do you know when India's first Independence Day flag was unfurled at the Red Fort?
Okay, so you can see this is the first video, the first part of video. So I have created 3 sections of video, and this is the first video that you can see. So we can clearly able to see my face and my voice. It can able to clearly capture my face, and it can able to also capture my voice clearly. And with the help of that, it is creating a video in the very few span amount of time. So you can also go and try this feature in the Gemini Studio. You can create your avatar, you can create a prompt, and on the basis of that, you can create a quick 10-second video, and you can also continue stretching that video also. So there is also features like, just you can write okay continue to next part, so it will create like continue to next part. But there is also a free limit credit there, so you cannot able to create multiple video in a single day. But yeah, it depend on your what type of subscription you have. So I have pro subscription, so I can able to create 4 to 5 video inside in a single day. But I think in the different subscription, it's the limit is totally different, so you can go and try. So now let me show you the full video clip that I have created using this Omni model, and I will show you how that video look like. So let me show you the video.
Quick question. Do you know when India's first Independence Day flag was unfurled at the Red Fort? Surprisingly, it was 16th August 1947, a day after India became independent. One historic morning became a tradition generations would witness. Happy 80th Independence Day, India.
You have now seen the full video. So this is the complete video that I have created using Omni, and the video looks great. All the characters are synchronized in all the 3 video, and the voice and the face and all the things is synchronized. The story also synchronized in all the three video. So yeah, you can also go and try creating the video using this Google Omni. And yeah, happy learning and thank you for watching this video.